I'm no longer a candidate for knee surgery. I'm no longer a candidate for knee surgery. This is what a client said to me this morning when I had a conversation with her. This young woman, she's close to 60. We worked together for 2 months. She was scheduled to go for knee surgery. She's obese. She's struggled with depression for over 36 years, I believe. She used to walk with a cane. And when we had a conversation this morning, she gives me this amazing news. First of all, she's got a brand new job. She's pulled that beautiful, awesome stuff into her life. She tells me she goes golfing. And she says, I'm not very good at golfing, but she goes golfing. And she was scheduled for knee surgery. And the best news of all is she tells me that her surgeon, after the checkup, says she's no longer a candidate for surgery. And this is all as a result of our work together. I taught her techniques to clear her pain, take the pain away. Her physical pain has completely disappeared. She's changed her points of view. She looks different. And so I'm over the moon. I just wanted to make this short, and I will probably do another video about this, about the awesome changes that she has made, and she promised to give me an amazing testimonial so that this can help others as well. So I'm over the moon, excited.